Hey guys, and good morning. Excuse my total grogginess. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep and 3 cups of coffee. But today we have a very interesting afternoon. We're gonna be spending our entire day down in Orlando at OSW, and we're gonna be drifting. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We have another like hour and a half before we have to go. So I'm gonna wipe down the Z, clean it up. I know I'm doing it reverse way. I should clean the car after the track. But I'm waiting on everyone from our crew to get here because they've never really been to the track before and never been drifting. So we got 3 of them here right now. We're waiting like on another 5. So once they get here, we're gonna finish everything up and we're gonna head out. We got the car clean, it's all done, and we've got the truck loaded up. We've got all the tires, all the supplies. As you can see, we got the dog crate because we got a bunch of dogs, so we always bring our dogs to the event. They love cars too. We got water, snacks, tools, chairs, and we got 3 sets of tires, pretty much brand spanking new on the tread. So we should be ready. Well, we're just about done here. We're gonna go ahead and head out. We topped all the fluids in the Z, we cleaned the car, put everything in the Hummer, and all of our members are gonna actually be carpooling just to save gas because it is a long drive. So I think we're just about done. We're gonna head out. The highway today is absolutely crazy. It's been stop and go traffic for the last like 20 minutes. So I haven't been able to film, but now that we got a little break, I can actually tell you guys what we're up to. OSW, which is the track we always drift at, has a Super Saturday event every couple of months, and today's that 10-hour Super Saturday event. So it's basically just non-stop drifting all day long. So we went to one of them a couple months ago, but it was when the old clutch was going out, so we didn't get to really utilize the whole event. But now with the new clutch, all the new parts and everything in it, we should definitely be able to tear the track apart compared to last time. The only problem is the last couple of days we've had a ton of rain, and rain is in the forecast for today too. So hopefully it'll be sunny, we'll see. They also paved the skid pad, so it's a totally different compound of cement. So that's going to be a little bit different. Now it's going to take some runs to get used to the type of cement that they paved it with. It's funny because I left the bumper off. I didn't feel like dealing with it today, so I kept it at the house. And every time I drive this car without the front bumper with the lime green dash bar, it gets so much attention. This guy actually to the right of me is actually videotaping the car right now as we speak. I don't know if you guys can see it. He's been matching my speed for the past like 10 minutes, just videotaping. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but he's got his phone up in the dashboard, and he's been just videotaping, giving thumbs up. Hopefully it doesn't rain the entire day. I mean, we're still gonna send it. Well, here comes the rain. We're actually getting ready to drive into the wall of rain. If you look way ahead, you can see it. There it is. And let the downpour commence. This is how bipolar Florida is. Like, it literally just started raining not even 2 minutes ago. Fast forward now, and there's not a drop of rain. And we're almost out of the clouds. It's almost sunny again. Like, come on, Florida. What are second sunny the next, so you really don't know what's going on. It's ridiculous. I just hope the skid pad is kind of dry, because if it's super wet, we're not going to be able to get a lot of speed on there. We're going to have to go real slow, because we're not trying to hit a wall, a barrier. That wouldn't be good. But we definitely should be there soon. We're almost off the highway, so we probably got like another 15 minutes before we're there. Well, we made it out here. So far, it's not raining, but the sky is very dark, so it's probably gonna rain. But skid pad looks nice. I haven't seen it yet with the new cement yet. Looks good though. I like it. Looks like they filled all the potholes and all the bumps and cracks. So it should definitely be a lot smoother, but definitely only one way to find out, and that's to hit it with the car. Looks a lot nicer. Definitely a lot better than it was. So I'm excited. We have to do the driver's meeting first. We're unloading everything now. And then we'll probably get on the track in the next hour. So we're gonna go prep and get everything ready. Well, we just finished the driver's meeting, and if you guys can tell from the rainstorm behind me, it's getting ready to rain. It's not right now. So we're gonna actually grid up and we're gonna head out there. Well, we're having a fun day out here. It sucks that it's raining and the track's soaked because we can't make any tire smoke, but bad things do happen even in the rain. We debeaded our tire, very first debead. Blew a tire out in the last two events, but never debeaded one like that. Had plenty of life left, but crap happens, time to change them. our very first tandem. Huge shout out to Matt The Ginge for letting me and trusting me with his car because I could have easily messed up and hit him or something. No, but it's been an absolute crazy day. I'm exhausted, I'm beat, I'm headed home. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and hopefully next time we come here, we can tandem the entire day. We'll see. But until then, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.